Welcome to everyone, Super Global Host. Today we show how can we manage a post system by keyboard. Here I create some keyboard shortcut. So here for search we make F, for quantity we make Q, for discount we make D, for price we make P, for delete any product from product line we make D. You see this is the keyboard, default keyboard. So this is working, and payment screen we make shift P. If we go to payment screen, then we need to click shift P. For select cash, need to shift C plus C. For bank, shift B. For validate, need to click V. For print in receipt or futura or invoice, we need to click enter, and for new order we need to click N. So now we show this full process. So we go to the product page from where we buy product. So here if we want to search any product, by default we search a product by scanner. So when we scan, then a product will be add in product line. Also we can make it from search. So for searching from keyboard we need to click F. So when we click F, then see the search icon there coming, and if we click any, then it search by this word. So from here I select some product. I select three product. First product it is 2, and other 2 is 1. So in this way we can add product from the list to product line. You can do it from scanner. When you scan any product, then it will be come in product line. After that here one icon arrow, you see in keyboard there have arrow icon. So if I click the, now you see which product is selected here now selected this one. So if I click the arrow one time, then it go up. If I click the arrow second time, then it go top. So from arrow we can change the order or which product we want to select. For example, I select the middle one. So after that I want to set its quantity. Now see its quantity is 1. So for quantity by default it now select quantity. So from keyboard, if we for example we want to buy this in 2, so from keyboard we just need to select 2. So if we click 2, then now you see it is 2. This product is now 2. Its quantity is 2. Now I want I just click arrow button, it go down, and I want to change its price. So how we change price? For example, now its price is 16, we want to change it 15. So how can we do this one? From keyboard we need to press P. So if we press P, then it go to in price. It is now this system is now we show from Arabic. So first one this one, it is quantity, it is discount, and it is price. So if we make it English, then it will come like this. So in this system we can show it from English and Arabic. Now we showing this is from Arabic. So now it is price selected, and if we want to change this price, it is price now 16, we want to make it 15. So just need to type 15 1 5. See now the price is changing from 16 to 15. So in this way we can make changes, and we can add, also we can add discount. If we select the second one from arrow button, and we want to apply discount, then from keyboard we need to select D. if we select D, then it go to this option, that means it discount. So I give some discount, I give 5. Here I give the discount in percentage wise. You can also give the discount in fixed price. Also you can make a discount overall. So after doing this all changes, now I want to go to the payment screen. So what is the shortcut for payment screen? You see here, I select this one, payment screen. It is Shift P. So I back here. So from here, if I click Shift P, then we go to payment screen. So from see here, this is the Shift key and this is the P key. So here also, this is the Shift, this is the P. So I just click the Shift and P. Then it go to payment page. So in payment page here, for getting payment, there are two options, one cash and one bank. So I want to make it from cash. So we have a shortcut for this one. So for cash we need to select Shift CC, and for bank we need to select Shift BB. So I again click Shift this one, and here see C. So I need to click this C 2 times, C. So when I click this 2 times, then it select the cash. So it is now selected cash. So after that we can if we want to see the change, then we can type here how much he give. For example, here how much bill, here 75, maybe he give 100. That means he give me a cash 100, but his bill is 75.1. So how much he will be returned? 24.9. This is optional. If you do not want to see the changes in invoice, then you do not need to put this on. So this is done. So after that, what you need to do, you need to validate this one. So for validate, you just need to click V. This is the V. So when I click the V, it automatically give the receipt or futura. So now I have not selected the printer. This is A4 page. So when you select this 80mm printer, then it come it right place. So it show in this way. So now you just need to click the enter. If you click the enter, then this print will be active and you get the receipt. So this is the enter button. So I click the enter. So it is done, and you see the invoice, it look like this. So from here you now want to go again the receipt page, the page from where we select the product. So for that you just need, from this page you need to click N. So here I select N. So when I click N, then again it back the first page from where we start new order. So now I quickly show this full process so you can understand full process. For example, I just we from scanner we select those two product. So this product is selected, done. Now the second product, this is 9 real, we make it 4 habba or 4 quantity, and first we just arrow, and first one we select, this is maybe 2. So I make 2. After that we need to select Shift P. When we select Shift P, then it come this page. In this time we select it is bank. So for selecting bank, we just need to go Shift, then this B. You see B, this is B. Shift B 2 times, then it come. Then you need to click the V. From here you need to click V. When you click V, then it come the receipt or receipt page. Then you just need to click enter. When you give enter, then it will be print from the printer. In this time printer is not connected with my computer. for that it not showing real, it look like this the invoice. And when you want to make new, then just you need to click N, then it come back. So it is very simple process. So from this way you can make it from printer, sorry, from keyboard you can give the receipt. So those only some very simple key we are using here. So those key we need to apply here to get the receipt from the keyboard. Alternatively you can make those from the mouse also. This is also you can make those key by your side. For example, I make those key from the setting page. This is the setting page. So here I make some key. So if you want to make some other key, then also you can make, you can add some other key also here. So if you add any key here, keyboard here, then those key also work here for any other purpose. So thanks for watching. If you have any question, then comment on this video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.